everyone, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I will talk about the Chinese style. I wanted to make this video for a long time, so I made two new Chinese style clothes for this video, and I also got some of like modern Chinese style clothing. So this is a brand new hanfu I just made. Here's the one I made before, I think last year, and I made a new one to replace that one. I think this one looks so much better than that one. You might think it looks similar, but it's different. This part, this chest band look a lot prettier than before. You can get the embroidered fabric, and also the underneath blouse. It's not just the plain, it has a pink. I will show you the full length. I also got the right accessories to go with this hanfu. Look, very pretty fan. This fan is called 团扇, 善结善缘, 善始善终. So in modern China, people use it for dance and for photo shoot. I use it as a fan and also for gifts. Really love it. If you do photo shoot, do like this. You cover half of your face and do a photo shoot. Use the fan cover the mouth when you smile. It has a picture on both sides. Look, both sides. The picture is peach blossom. It says peach blossom. A lot of people can't distinguish between cherry blossom and peach blossom. So here's a picture I find on the internet, and it shows the differences. The cherry blossom, it has a little bit. See? Do you remember the tree in front of the house? Some people think that's cherry blossom. I don't know what tree is that. It's not cherry blossom, it's not peach blossom. I don't know what is it, but it's pink. It's very beautiful. A lot of flowers are pink, very pretty. And another accessories I want to show you guys is the umbrella, and this is the real umbrella. It's not just for photo shoot. This is really for the rain. I bought this one last year. I never showed you guys. This one is handmade. I waited a while because they need time to make the umbrella. It's a very pretty, it's a real umbrella. So it still has a smell. So the material is waterproof. Very pretty. It is very big. Look, peach blossom. I know a lot of you probably say that it's not good to open umbrella inside. I opened the umbrella inside just to show you the umbrella. Very pretty. I will show you the full look very soon. This is a very well-made, handmade umbrella. Everything is so perfect. Those are old Beijing shoes, but they kind of works. Hanfu shoes is actually looks like that. Front is a little bit different. I can still wear it for the full outfit. I will show you the full outfit. Very excited. This umbrella is very big enough for two people. It's made of a special material. Those are the two important accessories for the sun. So this one for protecting the sun with umbrella or with a fan. It's also waterproof. This is another hanfu I made recently. So it's also pink, but the top part is red, and this one is a short version of hanfu. So people call modern hanfu hanfu, hand animated dress. A lot of shorter, cute style. This one's more prettier. So this is the next one. I think probably most people think this is like a kimono, like a Lolita dress, but it's actually not. This design is from Two Alice. Two Alice is a Japanese brand, but they design Chinese style clothing. So on their website it has the Chinese style clothing, and the title, can you see the title? I don't know if you can read the title. It says 中华风, so it's Chinese style. The clothing title is from the original shop, not a kimono Lolita dress. And this is a Chinese style Lolita dress. The brand Two Alice also have a shop on top of. This is a Two Alice brand, and they also sell this dress. It's very cute. That is this dress. I will try on. Maybe this is the right word. It's a Japanese brand Chinese style dress. Traditional Chinese dress also has this form of sleeve. Hanfu has a longer history than kimono. Hanfu has been 5,000 years. The one I'm wearing is just the one form of hanfu, and they have a lot of forms. It's different dynasty has a different style clothing. And there are a lot of dynasty in China, so there are a lot of traditional Chinese clothes. The next one is a super cute qipao. Ta-da! It's a panda. Panda qipao. Panda cheongsam. That's super adorable. The most qipao are beautiful and elegant design, but this one is a cute style. I have seen two cute design qipao. The panda one and another one is the strawberry one. Have you seen the qipao from Hasumi Miku? I love this one too. It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute and pretty sexy. Another modern qipao is the top part is similar, but the bottom part is like a circle skirt. And here's the picture. I think the Chinese fashion style is just getting popular than before. I have seen a lot of cute ones. Videos of people wearing hanfu in daily life, and very pretty. I like it. I also seen some videos of foreigner wearing hanfu as well, and they look very beautiful in it. You know, some people will say, oh, you are not Chinese, you can't wear Chinese style clothing. I'm super happy to see foreigners to wear traditional Chinese clothes or Chinese style clothes. So don't worry about it. If you like it, then wear it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I love all the outfits in this video. I really love it. Each outfit has its own style, and I love them all. So please make comments on which outfit is your favorite. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.